Okay, so now we're going to talk about explicit weights. We covered implicit weights before, and the issue with implicit weights is that, to be honest, even though it's pretty cool, I rarely use them in tests that I actually have written for jobs. And that's because implicit weights only allows you to wait for one thing, right? In an app, mostly JavaScript apps, you're going to have to wait for a whole variety of things. All right. You're going to wait for things to appear and disappear, for things to change, and all these different changes in the state of the app. So, what you really need is control. And the explicit weights give you the most control. And it's good to get familiar with them because it's going to save you a lot of trouble over time. So, what we're going to do is, you know how we call these two guys right here. We use the WebDriver by to find elements by the selector that we wanted, the locator. Now we're going to use WebDriver until. And WebDriver until, it has all these different methods, right? And this is the page for it in the docs. And defines common conditions for use with WebDriver weight. And you have the sample usage here. You can even define your own custom weights very easily. It just has to return something true. So here are all the default methods that come along with it. And it's pretty cool. I mean, I've used able to switch to frames a lot because that's an app I was testing constantly updated an iframe. Alert is present whenever your app throws an alert, like for a user to confirm. And you have all these different other weights. Element is visible when an element's still in the DOM but has visibility hidden, things like that. Or text when a text is, or text just contains a substring. It's really cool. And so what we're going to do here now. So remember we had the implicit weights. I took it out. And now what we're going to do is after the click, we're going to define the custom weight. All right. Driver, just say wait, and then until. And if you want, you can always look at this list here just in case there's something that you think, oh, like that's exactly what I want. And right now, we're going to say element located. Element located just takes a locator and then it finds it for you. It's basically like find element, but you're waiting for it to be located. And then it's going to return the actual web element, I believe. Oh no, it returns a condition. I'm sorry. So then, in that case, this is what we're going to do. I was going to delete all this, but we're going to keep it because we're just going to wait until element located. And then you can use by again by CSS, just like you did with find elements and alert success. Cool. All right, and then after this, you specify the time you want to wait. Let's do 5 seconds. All right, and element located, no typos, right? Constantly when I record videos, I do typos. It's embarrassing. But okay, so now it should just wait until it finds this, and then it will proceed to execute this command. So let's give it a shot. Oh, I thought something went wrong. It took a little while there. Why is it being so slow? Now I can't tell if it's my connection, if it's the VM, or if it's the app. Okay, boom. Oh, there you go, nice. So that worked. First try. Okay. I just want to try something real quick. I probably could have tried this before recording the video, but just want to make sure that this only returns a Boolean, meaning a true or false. and doesn't actually return the web element. So some live experimentation. I think it's going to throw an error. Oh no, that worked too. I don't get it. It says that it only returns a condition, but I guess it does return the element. Interesting. So that's how you can use element located as well. I did save it, right? Yep, saved. And it did get the text from the element and it logged it to the console. Perfect. So that's a very basic example of using an explicit weight in WebDriver. I hope this was instructive. We're going to go through a couple more of these in individual videos. Let's see, what can we look at? I mean, there's not much going on this page where we just waited for an element to be located. We can wait for, oh, we can wait for this element to be enabled or disabled. Okay, we'll try that in the next video. See you guys.